So we stopped at Meteorite City, and it's also a dinosaur drive-thru. Unfortunately, like most of the stuff that we've seen all along Route 66, it's closed. Don't know why it's closed. You would think it's already May, it's already summer, people are out traveling. But anyway, we're parked out here on Route 66, which kind of just goes away right here. At least it got a flag flying. A couple of bugs. Slug bug. So we'll be back in a little bit. Y'all have a good time watching the videos of our trip out west. Don't forget to like and subscribe.